it's so much better in real life. Oh, it just went through the clouds. So cool. Still can't hear nothing. Oh, look how bright all the clouds are getting. Look how the clouds are moving down below. That is crazy how they're moving right now. Still nothing. The wind must be, there it goes. You can see it through the clouds. Not one little rumble. God, that's cool. There it is. Oh, I can see it so much better in real life. I don't know if it's because of that jet. Especially the angle, we should hear some rumbles. God, that is so sweet. Kind of waiting for the separation. I don't know. It's getting pretty dark on the phone. See if we catch the separation there, I think. Yep, there's separation. Now that rocket should be coming down and blasting off, but that should be out on the ocean. It's going to land on a pad tonight, so no sonic boom here. It's getting pretty hard for me to see even by the naked eye now. Alright, well, I will shut her off now. And if I hear a sonic boom, I'll throw the camera back on and post another video. Hope you all enjoy. Take care. This is the Bandit down in Florida. Check you all later. Been having fun swinging. I'll post some videos on that later. Till next time, take care.